All right, so my last one got a little bit long and I wanted to shorten it up, which is why I didn't show. Basically, what I did on this contour was I just deleted this piece here, and then I deleted this segment here, and I moved this guy back. Now you'll notice that I still have, when I rebuild the surface, I still got some flags here. So I wanted to show you how to fix these and clean these up as well. So if you look real close, if I go to my line string, my 3D curve here, and I right click and edit, I do have that elevation is there. So what I want to do is I just want to kind of grab this contour line and I'm just going to pull it off for a second, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to snap it to the endpoint. And if I like click right there, then it snaps to that endpoint. If I right click and edit, we can see that that's 24 now. Okay. If I come up, if I go ahead and rebuild it, that flag should go away. So I'll rebuild it, and let's see, the flag didn't go away. Let's take a look. Okay. So if we take this guy, let's edit that point there. It's 24. That's 24. So this guy here, edit. Oh, this is why. So sometimes what will happen, like you see, it wasn't moving even though I edited it, and made the edit, and it's because it's holding this 2376, and there's basically a VPI on that for some reason. I'm not sure how it got there, but what I want to do is get rid of that VPI. Okay, so you're going from horizontal to vertical. I'm gonna just click there, and I'm gonna remove that VPI. Now, when I do that, it's still going to maintain this elevation at 24. If I look at the properties, you can see there's also another area where it's got another elevation of 23. So what I'm going to do with this line, because that seems to be somewhere probably over here as well, is while I have it selected, I'm going to go to my data prep tab, and I'm going to click change elevation, and I'm going to undefine it first, and then I'm going to set it back to 24. And what that does is that basically removes all the bogus elevations, and now you can see it's 24. It's not, I don't have two different elements. So again, it's just maybe some bad CAD data in some aspect. Now, hopefully when I rebuild this, it'll get rid of both flags, that flag there, which it did, and that flag there. So that was the problem I was having with that particular spot. Now up in here, kind of the same thing. When we drew this line in here, that one, we brought in and we snapped to the contour. I'm just going to grip edit that, and I'm going to bring it back to this blue line here. And if I right click and edit, and look at the horizontal, that's got the right elevation, and my curb line actually, which is here, so I actually put it in the wrong spot. So let me show you that again. So I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to grip this guy over to the end of that line there. Now that one should be, if I edit it, yeah, it's 2217, which is that elevation there. So now when I rebuild this, that goes away and that gets cleaned up. All right. Same thing here. This one, let's check the contour. That's 23. That's fine. I'm going to check my 3D line here, which you can see that it's got a grip here. So I'm just going to grip this guy and I'm just going to snap it back to there, rebuild it, and that flag goes away. All right. So just some additional cleanup, making sure that I don't have any flags. And if I still do, which I've got one more, I'm going to double click on it, and that's gonna show me right here where I need to fix this line as well. So I'm gonna take this line string, which is the contour, and I'm just gonna drag it to the top back of curve here. And if I rebuild, I should be okay. Got no more flags, so my surface is looking good.